Bree, and you then too can't be enough pull you over that I am not no fuck with that me. Yo, the worst thing that me I do to you. Worst thing me I do to you. And you know then can't pull me over. That me I feel.
Hey R&B squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bree and I'm back with another banger. Guys, I can't stay too long because we are up on the road and I just send Bling on a yard for something. I left it on purpose because I want to prank him. So here what we're going to do on this video now. I tell him I want to drive because I want to carry him go drop him off at one place. Make it look like somebody pay me for kidnapping me. So that we are going to do. If you don't want to see a reaction, then just stay tuned. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and watch the ads. Ready?
Hold on. Put me in car. Ready? Man.
I can do a good.
Where you go?
Alright. Ready? Let's go.
So what are you going to do?
For yourself.
You have the video see me?
No, something I don't know.
We are going to do me ask you a question. We are going to do?
Ease yourself. Just have to take a different route, you know?
We are go up in a hill for you can't just go drive the side, no?
So me can go here, sir?
We are going there, come on, much time you have to ground corner and I go road, my girl. Much time you have to ground. Stop not nothing. Stop ground corner and I go road.
Okay.
Stay up on your hand. You come like you're deaf. Go over there, so.
Round your side bush. It's on nobody not really round your side.
I'm pretty sure if you go up in already. Me just come in the car, you know. Stay over here, so. You can get up past them stage, yeah, ground corner and me go road. I mean, no way come over, so we could have reached and we say, I'm going to
baby, me just want to drive on different road, Jesus.
The points are road, yeah. I mean, no like when the points are road, yeah. Your judgment kind of still off, you know, fully up the yet.
That's why I can't drive on this already?
Yes.
And that's why I drive on this so I can learn. Understand?
Take time, man. Take time.
I'm taking my time. Alright. So reach.
You know what? Come turn back. Come we can't turn back, it's not too late.
No, sir.
Come we are go up so go there. Look on the road, on the two side of the road means before you push out the car and even look. Come drive. Come turn back.
No, me soon reach where me go.
Why would you go round now on big circle?
What happened to you? Just sit down and take a drive out there. God almighty.
This is not a drive out. We are parked on the hillside for.
I said they did say no, but me I go look further still.
Yes, so who say? Mind look out on the road. Go on, make it carry back. Door! Jesus the fucking Jesus.
Wabi.
Go so. Take time. Pull over, sir. Help me drive, sir. Pull over, me say.
Alright, that's so me I go be.
Pull over. Me drive.
What is wrong with you? Me not like your style, you know?
No. You know your judgment no righteous. So, no, you can't wrong me if you feel certain type of way.
But when me there do a while ago, nothing.
Why you choose to come up this place and
stop it nice, no be. You just love chat.
Bro, could have gone reach over, almost reach over, you decide to come back for one reason. Yeah, the man come park me up on the roadside. Put the people that look on the car. We hardly even come here.
Stop it nice, no? God almighty, man.
I don't like your style, man. Could have gone about business already. Where you come over? You come over idle, you know.
Just can't be there with you, man. Sure.
You could dog look on the car.
Everything you have a problem with. Everything you have a problem with.
Tell me, what you do? Shh. Chemicals in the car, so I'm
stop it talking, B. Just stop it talking. There must something me I do around here, so you see me come around here.
Come, me come drive. Come in country.
Wait,
Come here, turn back. Come in, no way you can come and see me, sit me down.
Yo, I'm reaching my general. How far are they?
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean you reach? 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 Who you talk to? You say who you talk to? What do you mean you reach?
Relax,
What do you mean you reach?
Relax,
Reach
no.
way.
Relax now.
Yo, listen me, I have 2 side bush this in a Bree. Me not laugh with you know.
One guy did pay me some money for kidnap him, so because I said I want to try a thing about door. Enough money they give me still. Yeah, so just sit down and wait. Lucky door.
Check thing with for back door.
Up here.
Who back door? My back door?
You can pass.
Who can pass?
Somebody.
Go up more. I know him this I know nobody this way.
Looks.
You what me do? Go up more. Me Jack. Come in. Just press on the gas. Press on the gas. Gas. Tap. Lucky door. So who's that somebody here?
That license plate, you know?
B.
I sit in top there. Sit in top. Come in, Mitchell.
Yo, you may say.
Yo!
Yo, me mash up it in my glass now. Me say lucky door. Lucky win now start ramping me. Lucky win now start ramping me.
Sit there!
You're Batman. You're bumbuckler Batman, my yo. What to you? Who you call? Yo. What the fuck? You're fussy.
Where they going to put me out?
What do you mean?
Another.
I walk it out, walk home.
Another.
I walk it out, walk home. Bowman I come. Which man I come for me?
You come.
You better tell him something not there. You better fucking tell him something not there.
Yeah, why you did so long you make man all bad me upon you. I think I've reached already. You know something I get a refund, right? We are there run that corner. Alright, we are come back run that corner.
Yo, stop ramping me.
We are come back run that corner.
Stop ramping me.
Wait, stop.
Start ramping me.
You stop in I'm English, I will.
So wait, I'm money.
Just come around.
I'm money make you do this, huh?
Just come around, Mr.
I'm money. I really money cause this.
Alright. Yeah, me I say general. I develop me and give me $1 million one time. It's $1 million when they pay me.
So we never sell them for your batty wall.
Oh!
So I'm to fear batty wall. A batty wall same way.
I'm man bottom.
Me not laugh with you, bro. Tell me say a joke, yeah, me.
I'm not joking, me make me.
Alright.
Yeah, go run the road. Run the road, yeah.
Alright. Tell them to come. Hold how batty them out get. Yeah, man. Tell them to come.
Alright.
Tell them to come, but you said man batty for $1 million. Yeah, no sense, man. I bet you say a Jamaican $1 million you take.
Yeah, you did. The US that. You fool. You better expensive. You know. Yeah, man.
Alright, man.
Pull over right this. See what you saw? I can pass the man name.
Alright, Miss Bennett. I have something for you.
What you have for me? What is that baby? What's your go to your back road? Rocky road so rough.
Miss Bennett.
Yeah.
Bree, and you they two can't be enough pull me over dog. I am not no fuck with that on my yo. The worst thing that me I do to you. Worst thing me I do to you. Any one of them can pull me over, that me I tell you. Any one of them fly in front of me, I kick you out of this door, that me I tell you.
I know that.
Any one of them, you think me I laugh with you? All the mind feels me I laugh with you. Any one of them, come out of this car right now and come in front of me car talk. Come out, boy, them buy a body for me. You're in trouble.
Just slow down. Just
Yeah, so nothing.
Alright. Right as so.
All the mind feels me I laugh with you.
I just me that back. I want perk me I do. This thing on, I just me that.
When you two car in the past, me feels me if you you know pull over.
Where you pull over for?
You fucking lucky, that me I tell you. Me not laugh with that bumbo club. Me not laugh with the youth.
What? You can wear on them fucking.
Yo, me know you with Susa right now.
What?
Me know you with it you know.
Yeah, eat
Me know
it.
you with it you know. Me not laugh at you. Listen me.
Yeah, eat
Me
it.
not laugh with the youth. You ram too much, dog. You ram too much, my youth. Me not laugh with the youth.
Say really, what I said about them, babe. Yeah, eat it.
Anybody that sell bottom for $1 million. Anybody that do it, cause time hard.
We don't do it with you, though. So you that sell my bottom to $1 million?
Brian, have you come to this yeah? Cause she had sell mine for $1 million.
I joke me and make a prank, me a prank you.
What kind of prank is that you can't be going on bush for talk about how you be there? What kind of prank that? I set up life, you can't run with people's lives so be.
You don't see a prank, we don't do that to you, babes. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss now.
Brother, yo, if you know things they may run through my brain that it's a damn time, still space of time. Yeah. Let me drive and I look back if man I pull over, pull me over. I'll be every day somebody set up somebody, but you can't tell me no prank. Every day and the same why in your own circle I will set you up.
Say to me that set you up.
Man.
Guys, we get him and we get him food. So if you don't like that video, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.
You can't do people
Watch
so.
the ads.
Every day people get set up, you can't them sitting there. A serious business that.
Alright. Peace.